Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So you can see in general market follows the trading plan that we have prepared in the weekly report relatively accurately. So the downward action has started precisely from the confidence area that we have specified. It's 108.20 area. And as a result of recent session, you can see market hits predefined extension. So what's this? XA retracement, although we do not have the clear shape of the butterfly, but to estimate the nearest standing targets extensions works rather well. I mean extensions, not the dynapole extensions, but extensions of the retracements in the manner of the butterfly. So you can see 107 area has been reached. This market now is taking pause around it. Speaking on the next nearest standing targets, we have actually 106.35, which is not an extension, but this is next important lows on all time frames, on the daily in particular, and weekly and this as well. So market currently stands not at oversold at any time frame. Even on the daily, it is not at oversold. So it has really free space under the market and easily could continue downward action. That's what we have on the daily chart. Speaking on the dollar index, it also looks unstoppable. So you can see what's going on the dollar index. This is weekly chart. It is also not at the oversold. So here you could see that free space exists for upward continuation. And actually market is coming to some OP target here in upward of the big monthly pennant pattern. So here it looks like big triangle, but on monthly chart it's a bit smaller. And that's approximately the next destination point that dollar index could reach. It's around 1 or 250 approximately. So in the same manner, euro currency could keep going lower and hit 106.30, but actually 161 extension 105.70, so that could happen in the same time, especially because of the probable stop triggering right here. So some stops definitely exist right there, and once market will try to reach it, if it will be successful, it could accelerate downward action, and 1618 target might be completed just automatically. It's because of the triggering of the stops that add some downside fuel while the orders will be executed. So that's what we have concerning targets on the euro currency. On lower time frame, we do not see something really special. So on the 4 time frame chart, it's just downward action stand. Market stands around the target, and here's a few moments. First of all, if you would like to take the short position that you do not have it yet, you could consider, for instance, area around 107.50, 107.88, which is actually 30% level and previous lows. So theoretically, maybe if market gets more relief, it might show some minor pullback. Hopefully, that's let us chance to take another position. Those who already have positions probably could keep them, just manage your risk. Don't forget to move them with the market. On the hourly chart, theoretically we have nice thrusting action, but well, it's a bit choppy and it doesn't let us to treat it as background for dynapole patterns such as a probable double repo, bread and butter or something that sort. Still, although we do not have it for short entry, you could consider this minor ABCD pattern, although I am not sure this definitely will be formed, just because, well, starting downward action rather fast. But if it will be formed, as you can see, the OP makes an agreement with the nearest level, 107.53. XOP stands 107.74. It also agrees with the confidence. So that will be an area where you need to place the stop, I mean above this area, while these two levels you could use for gradual entry. You could take position here, or just split your positions, taking some part here and then add more, so that is a bit personal, you could decide by yourself. So this perfectly agrees with the idea on the follow time frame chart, these previous lows and this confluence area on the hourly chart. This creates an area that's interesting for possible taking the long position, short position. If you still would like to trade thrusting action with the Judd Napoli tools, maybe with the Brent Bata, or if some reversal pattern will be formed here, guys, in this case, I would better watching for Great British Pound, because for this purpose, because on the hourly chart of the cable you could see that thrust looks much better. So this is very smooth, straightforward, and it is more suitable for Judd Napoli trading. So if you are a scalp trader, you are searching chance to take the position based on the thrust, and with the Judd Napoli tools, maybe double repo will be formed, something of that sort. It would be better to focus on Great British Pound. For short entry on the euro currency, you could use just these levels and extensions. So that's our view on the euro currency. Currently, in two words speaking, we suggest that maybe after some retracement or directly, but market should keep going lower, because our major target stands 104.50, and currently we do not see any significant barriers that market can't reach it, because technically we don't have any targets, significant targets, we don't have any strong support or oversold. So actually market now is entering in some empty spaces. So until the 104.50 area. That makes us think that in general downside action should continue.